YouTubers, it's RC Tech Pro Flying coming to you about the Autel Evo and adding the ND filters to it in this flight. I had done this flight with a really cloudy and gloomy day, and I wanted to see what the results were with an ND filter and making some adjustments to the Kelvin adjustments, and also taking it off auto and I put it on manual, and then also on the colors I did none. I did some experiments on log and see what it was like with the ND filter on log, and I'll just show you a picture of that, the before and after post. The other thing was that I did do the shot at 30 frames per second, and I had the shutter speed at 200. So it turned out pretty good. So you'll see with the colors and how bright they came out. I was really impressed. And if you look off to the horizon area, you're going to notice a really heavy cloud over the land, as you notice. And you know, when I'm filming this area, my concentration was more on this pool, and you can see the colors, how brilliant they are. And then I kind of take an orbit around it, and you're going to kind of see the colors, how they really come out really well with this filter. I'm kind of, you know, if you take the filters off, if you adjust the camera on the drone itself, I think it does a really good job without the filters. If you just find that perfect niche for it on the scenery that you're taking, conditions outside do make a difference. So let's go into the video right now, and let's go ahead and take a look at it right now.